Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set a primary language for Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now if you have more than one languages enabled or turn on in here, then you can choose which one is the primary language for Google Voice typing. But first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. And in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on General Management. In here, you want to scroll down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Next, we go down and tap on Google Voice Typing. Tap on the left-hand side panel, then we go down and then tap on Primary Language. Now, if this list is disabled, that means in the languages list, you haven't turned on more than one language. So if I only have one language selected, you can see here the primary language list will be disabled. I will not be able to choose because since there is only one language selected, there is only one primary language. So if you want that to turn on, you need to select more than one language in here. And that's it. So in here you can choose which is the primary language. And that's it. I'm going to turn the mode off, and then I'm just going to use my primary default system language. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.